Research has shown a strong connection between gut health and various health conditions, such as allergies, autoimmune diseases, and even mental health disorders. A study published in the journal Nature highlights how gut microbiota can influence inflammatory responses, potentially affecting conditions like allergies and autoimmune diseases. So if you've been experiencing unexplained symptoms or just want to feel your best, understanding and improving your gut health could be the key. Stay tuned to learn more about simple yet effective ways to support your gut health and enhance your overall well-being. Ever heard of the gut microbiome? It's like a bustling city inside your digestive system, teeming with trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in your health. These tiny inhabitants, known as gut microbiota, are not just passive bystanders, but active participants in digestion and immune function. Your gut bacteria help break down food, produce essential nutrients, and even communicate with your immune system to keep you healthy. A landmark study published in Cell demonstrated that gut microbiota can influence the development and function of the immune system. However, various factors such as diet, lifestyle, antibiotics, and stress can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and weakened immunity. Have you been feeling off lately but can't quite pinpoint the cause? Your gut health might hold the key. Common signs and symptoms of an unhealthy gut can manifest in various ways, from digestive woes to unexpected skin issues and even mood disturbances. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements, it could be a red flag for poor gut health. Your gut microbiome plays a significant role in digestion, and imbalances can lead to discomfort and digestive distress. Research published in Gastroenterology has shown that dysbiosis, or microbial imbalance, in the gut can contribute to various gastrointestinal disorders. Surprisingly, skin conditions like acne, eczema, or psoriasis, as well as mood disorders such as anxiety and depression, can also be linked to your gut health. The gut-brain connection is a powerful one, with your gut microbiome influencing your mental well-being. A review in Psychiatry Research discusses the bidirectional relationship between the gut microbiome and mental health, highlighting the role of gut bacteria in regulating mood and behavior. Listen to your body's signals and pay attention to any changes or discomfort you may be experiencing. Your gut health is a vital component of your overall well-being, so taking steps to support it can lead to improved health and vitality. Looking to boost your gut health and support a thriving microbiome? It all starts with what you put on your plate. By making simple dietary changes, you can nourish your gut and promote a balanced ecosystem of beneficial bacteria. Include fiber-rich foods. Fiber is a crucial component for gut health. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are excellent sources of fiber that can help feed the good bacteria in your gut and support healthy digestion. A diet rich in fiber has been linked to a more diverse and stable gut microbiome. For example, a study published in Cell Host and Microbe found that dietary fiber helps increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria and produces short-chain fatty acids, which are key for gut health. Incorporate fermented foods. Fermented foods introduce probiotics and gut-friendly bacteria into your diet. Yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, and kimchi are all delicious options that can help enhance your gut microbiome. These foods contain live bacteria that can populate your gut and improve its microbial diversity. Research in Frontiers in Microbiology has shown that regular consumption of fermented foods can improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Also, stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for maintaining proper digestion and overall gut health. Hydration helps keep the digestive system moving and supports the mucosal lining of the intestines, which protects against harmful bacteria. A study in the Journal of Nutrition highlights the importance of water in maintaining the balance of gut microbiota and promoting efficient nutrient absorption. Consume food that is grown on diverse soil. Foods grown in soil with a diverse microbiome tend to be richer in nutrients and beneficial microbes. These foods can help improve the diversity of your gut microbiome. Opting for organic and sustainably farmed produce can ensure you're getting food that is free from harmful pesticides like glyphosate, which can disrupt gut bacteria. Increase plant food diversity. Eating a wide variety of plant foods can introduce different types of fiber and nutrients to your gut, promoting microbial diversity. The American Gut Project found that people who consume more than 30 different plant foods per week have a more diverse gut microbiome compared to those who consume fewer plant types. Exercise regularly. Physical activity isn't just beneficial for your physical fitness, it also supports gut function. Exercise can help promote a diverse microbiome and improve digestion. Research in gut microbes suggests that regular exercise can increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria and improve overall gut health. Get plenty of quality sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for gut health. Lack of sleep can impair digestion and weaken your immune system, disrupting the balance of your gut microbiome. A study in PLOS One found that sleep deprivation can lead to changes in the composition of gut bacteria, emphasizing the importance of quality sleep for maintaining a healthy gut. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can give your gut time to rest and repair, promoting a healthier microbiome. Research in cell metabolism indicates that intermittent fasting can improve gut barrier function and increase microbial diversity, leading to better overall gut health. Consume phenols. Phenolic compounds found in foods like berries, tea, and dark chocolate have antioxidant properties that support gut health. These compounds can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. A review in Nutrients highlights the role of phenols in modulating gut microbiota and reducing inflammation. Eat sprouts and microgreens. These foods are rich in nutrients and beneficial bacteria, especially when grown in soil. Consuming sprouts and microgreens can support a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Research in Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that these young plants contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to their mature counterparts. Consume probiotic foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and other fermented products contain live beneficial bacteria that can enhance your gut microbiome. Regular consumption of probiotics has been linked to improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and reduced inflammation. Incorporate raw foods. Raw fruits and vegetables contain natural enzymes and beneficial microbes that can support gut health. Eating raw foods can help maintain a diverse gut microbiome and improve digestion. A study in Nutrients suggests that the enzymes in raw foods can aid in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients more efficiently. Factors that lower microbiome diversity. While there are many ways to enhance your gut health, certain factors can significantly lower the diversity of your microbiome. Broad-spectrum antibiotics. These medications can kill off both harmful and beneficial bacteria, leading to a less diverse gut microbiome. A study in microbiome found that antibiotic use can lead to long-term reductions in microbial diversity, which can affect digestion, immune function, and overall health. It's essential to use antibiotics only when necessary and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Artificial sweeteners. These sugar substitutes can negatively affect gut bacteria and reduce microbial diversity. Research in Nature found that artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin can alter gut microbiota, potentially leading to glucose intolerance and other metabolic issues. Limiting the intake of artificial sweeteners can help maintain a healthier gut environment. Sterilized foods. Foods that have been sterilized, such as ultra-pasteurized dairy products, lack the beneficial microbes found in raw or minimally processed foods. These beneficial microbes are crucial for maintaining a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Opting for less processed foods can help improve gut health. Processed foods. Processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives can negatively impact your gut health. These foods can lead to inflammation and a less diverse gut microbiome. A diet high in processed foods has been associated with a higher prevalence of gut-related disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Reducing your intake of processed foods and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods can help support a healthier gut. Animals fed on a monoculture. Consuming animal products from animals raised on a monoculture diet can limit the variety of beneficial microbes you receive. A diverse diet for animals can lead to a more diverse microbiome in their meat and dairy products, which in turn benefits your gut health. Choosing products from animals raised on diverse, natural diets can support a healthier gut microbiome. Glyphosate. This common herbicide used in many agricultural practices can disrupt gut bacteria. Research published in Environmental Health suggests that glyphosate exposure may negatively impact gut microbiota diversity, potentially leading to health issues such as inflammatory bowel disease. Opting for organic produce can help reduce exposure to glyphosate. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation can disrupt the gut microbiome. A study in Nature Reviews Immunology discusses the link between inflammation and gut health, noting that inflammation can create an environment in the gut that favors harmful bacteria over beneficial ones. Managing inflammation through diet, exercise, and stress reduction can help maintain a healthy gut. Radiated foods. Similar to sterilized foods, irradiated foods lack the natural bacteria that can support gut health. The irradiation process kills both harmful and beneficial microbes, potentially reducing microbial diversity in the gut. Consuming raw or minimally processed foods can help preserve these beneficial microbes. Lack of variety in the diet. A limited diet can lead to a less diverse gut microbiome. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition emphasizes the importance of dietary diversity for gut health. Eating a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods can help support a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Liver issues. Liver conditions can affect the composition of the gut microbiome. The liver produces bile, which is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. Bile also has antimicrobial properties that help regulate gut bacteria. When liver function is compromised, bile production and secretion can be affected, leading to an imbalance in gut bacteria and reduced microbial diversity. Research in hepatology suggests that liver health is closely connected to gut microbiota. Stress. Chronic stress can alter the gut microbiome and reduce microbial diversity. A review in Brain, Behavior, and Immunity highlights the impact of stress on gut health, noting that stress hormones can negatively affect the composition of gut bacteria. Managing stress through relaxation techniques and exercise can aid in maintaining a healthier gut. In conclusion, we've explored the profound impact of gut health on our daily vitality. From the foods we eat to the lifestyle choices we make, nurturing a diverse gut microbiome is key to enhancing digestion, boosting immunity, improving physical, and supporting mental well-being. By incorporating fiber-rich foods, probiotics, staying hydrated, and embracing habits like regular exercise and the others discussed in this video, we empower our bodies to thrive. Let's commit to cultivating a healthier gut for a healthier, revitalized everyday life. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to smash that like button, share the video, and subscribe to join us for more content to revitalize every day.